Berlin, the capital of Germany, boasts a diverse architectural landscape. The Brandenburg Gate, an iconic symbol of the city, is a neoclassical triumphal arch that represents unity and freedom. The Reichstag building, with its glass dome, combines historical architecture with modern design. The Berlin Cathedral, a stunning example of Baroque and Renaissance styles, dominates the city's skyline. The Museum Island, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is home to several impressive museum buildings, including the Neues Museum and the Pergamon Museum. The Sony Center, a futuristic glass and steel complex, is a hub of entertainment and commerce. The Jewish Museum, designed by Daniel Libeskind, is a striking architectural representation of Germany's Jewish history. The Fernsehturm, a TV tower, offers panoramic views of the city and is a symbol of Berlin's modernity. Berlin's architecture reflects its tumultuous history and a vibrant cultural scene.